Hi.
Can I
Hey,
hip hop
you too.
Demon Huntress meal?
I am going to be doing an unboxing of the McDonald's the Huntrix meal from K-pop Demon Hunters. So with that in mind, what? I got a demon sauce?
Okay.
No.
You have some extra, and then you take them. Shake them up. Shake them, shake them, shake them. Okay. You want to try one of the Ramen fries?
Nope. I'm gonna open.
Are you going to open the cards?
Man, how do I get this open?
There. That was a big bite. Are they good? Where'd you get it?
Oh, I got a duplicate of Derpy.
Oh, I like Derpy. Who'd you get?
Rumi, aka Honeysuckle.
Roomy, show me. Nice job. That's cool. So what do you think of the Ramen fries? Are they good?
Yep.
Can I try one?
Uh-huh.
Just one. Oh, that's pretty good. All right, you gonna try your chicken nugget, the demon chicken nuggets? Open the box. I think the signatures are in there. How freaking cool! Whoa.
Oh, absolutely. No.
Do you want to try the demon sauce?
Nope.
It's pretty spicy. Daddy said it was spicy.
I want to try the demon.
So we should open it though, see what it looks like. You don't try it. Oh, it's purple. It's like Rumi's hair. Kind of reminds me of Grimace. Smells like horseradish. So what do you think? How would you rate this meal?
Like a 4-star.
4 stars? That's pretty good. What would you rate the box?
A 3-star.
Oh, I would do 5-star with the box. I think it's awesome. All right. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching.